Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute, but today we making beef rigatoni. Okay, we gonna slow cook this. Okay, so if you got time today, this gonna take about 2 to 3 hours to make. Okay, and before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. Get Cooking and Keep Cooking. You can search my name or you can search the title of the book. It is linked below digitally as well, y'all, so do not forget that. Without further ado, y'all, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really do throw you up.
Before we get started, y'all, let me just show y'all how I cut up the carrots and the celery and the onions real quick, okay? Now that we're done with that, y'all, let me just show y'all everything that we got that we working with right now, okay? Okay, y'all, so we have about 4 cups of beef broth. We have some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, seasoning salt, and a little bit of ground sage. Okay, we have a bunch of thyme, rosemary just tied up in butcher's twine. We're going to use about 4 cups of diced tomatoes. We got some garlic, fresh garlic. We got some basil and my 2 bay leaves that fell out here. Oh, I forgot my parsley. Get you some parsley, chop that up. And then we got our our celery and carrots, our 1 onion. And then we have about half of a roast, okay, chopped into big chunks. We got some Parmesan cheese, and we have about 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, but I do have some of this Parmesan cheese so that I can grate it on top as well. And we got some tomato paste. Y'all know that we always gonna have some olive oil. And we got some rigatoni noodles, y'all. I don't know where they are right now, but we got some rigatoni noodles. We're not gonna use the whole thing. And we got some black pepper and some salt. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, so we have our beef. We are going to put some salt on this. Then we're just gonna press it in, flip it over, and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add some oil to this. And we want to get this real hot. That's what we want. Alright, y'all, so now we're just going to remove it nice fresh. Okay, now y'all, we're going to add our celery and carrots and onion. Alright, y'all can see that the vegetables got most of that fond up. Mostly all of it at this point. So now we're going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of tomato paste. We're going to cook that in for about 2 minutes as well. So now I'm going to add this garlic. Cook that in for about a minute. And now we're going to add our beef broth. 4 cups, 32 ounces. We're gonna add our crushed tomatoes, but I got diced tomatoes because y'all know I like chunks. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add about a cup of water, y'all. Okay, so here's where I'm going to season it. Season salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some sage. And don't forget to deglaze the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna add our meat back in. We're gonna add our rosemary and thyme, our bay leaves, and our basil. So we're going to let this cook for about 2 hours or until the meat is as tender as you like it. Okay, y'all, then make sure you just stir in between and make sure ain't nothing sticking or stuck at the bottom. Okay, y'all, so it's been 2.5 hours. Ooh. So now we're going to remove any thyme we have. Remove all of this rosemary and thyme. Trying to get that tomato off of there. Remove the meat so we can shred it. Make sure y'all check y'all meat. That's tender. Y'all, we just gonna shred this meat up real quick. Not gonna take as long at all because it's already tender. I'm just doing it with the... Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go in with about a cup of Parmesan. We're gonna add some parsley, but we're gonna reserve some for plating. Now we're just gonna add our meat back in. Then we're gonna add the pasta.
No problem. That's so good. Fuck you up.
Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get us a nice big bowl, and then we're gonna add some parsley on top. Y'all know me, red pepper flakes. And y'all, we have some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, y'all, so this is how it came out. It came out so flavorful, y'all. Y'all can add whatever seasonings y'all want. Those are just the basics. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, and what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.